Hello, welcome to my video. I'm Wayne.
And I'm Logan.
Logan? Wayne. Logan? Wayne. Yes, us. So, today...
He's Wayne and I'm Logan.
Huh?
He's Wayne and I'm Logan.
Okay then. Right, today we have mystery box from Toysiverse. Yep, so Toysiverse are on Instagram.
I got this.
1 second. So, this is Toysiverse. They're on Instagram. They have their own website as well. And this is their mystery box, which was £15. And the hits in there, you had Doug with a cone on. Nice little pull out of it. The glowing dot Black Panther. The Dulux.
Wait, which one? One up there?
Yes. The Dulux.
I hope we get it.
The Dulux.
I'd want it.
The Dulux Iron Man. Which I don't think this is.
Which is the Dulux Iron Man?
The one that goes, connected to the other Avengers.
Oh!
You had...
would you keep that?
I would, but I don't think this is it.
Yeah, I agree.
You had Concept Boba Fett. Interesting pop. Or you had the Spider-Man pizza. You were carrying the pizza, swinging along. And that.
Would you like that?
Yes, I would like that. Or you did have Monica Geller, I think the chase, so no. But I do like Friends. So, shall we get it opened up?
Yes.
So remember, Toysiverse. I'll put their links down. 1 second. I'll put their links down below in the descriptions. Go check them out. So, shall we open it? You got this, yeah? I've trained him in knife arts.
No,
so
he didn't train me.
himself.
He didn't train me. I trained myself.
Right, okay. While we're doing this, please subscribe, comment, like, and hit the notification bell. Well, what, sweeties?
Haribo.
I think you guarantee the sweet. So, but I like Haribos.
I told you I
Can
was in control tonight.
fantastic.
Don't
Right.
do that.
So, this is bubble wrapped well, as usual. That's pretty good with Toysiverse. Okay.
Another box?
It's wrapped in bubble wrap.
Oh, okay.
No.
Oh.
No.
Why?
No.
I don't trust you with it.
I am the master blaster with my hands.
No, you are not. I feel like you're going to end up cutting your head off. Don't
Right.
do that.
So, this is wrapped up in bubble wrap as well inside.
Hope it's not another box.
No, it's not another box. Bubble wrap.
Well, technically it is in another
Shall
box.
we
It's probably
see?
in a box.
Right. We have... Ooh!
Electra.
Electra, that would go lovely.
You didn't mention her.
That will go...
You didn't mention her.
I did. You don't get to know all the hits.
Oh, okay.
So this is Electra, special edition, Marvel 80s, will go nicely with my collection. That is a lovely pop. Shall we get her out? See what she's like?
I don't know. You decide.
Right, do you want to see how much she is on TPD?
I will. Well, you open her.
So that's a nice pull, that. It goes nicely in my collection.
Why do you have a few pages of nothing?
Have you farted?
No.
You sure? I blame your mother.
I'm sure.
With this, you do have lovely artwork on the back, like all the 80s Marvel years do. I like that artwork, that's cool. Electra.
Ooh, what's
Ooh,
that?
That's the silver bit. Pull that out.
Silver.
And she's in.
How do you spell Electra?
She's got a stand.
L-E-K-T-R-A. So there's Electra from the Daredevil series, I think, and then there's Electra first appearance.
Yeah, the red
who
one.
is £10 more or than the first one.
How much
There's
is
only
she?
two of them. Well, the first Electra is £10,
No,
so
how
take a
much is
wild
this
guess.
one?
Take a wild guess.
£12.
20. I said £10 more than her, and she's
Okay.
£10.
So, you got Electra with a sides and that. A nice little pop that. And £20. Box cost me 15. That's a nice little hit. I'm happy because she goes in my collection. It's put on a stand. One thing I hate
She has
about
a
these
stand?
stands, yeah, I hate the stands. I really do. I wish,
I honestly don't like them either.
yeah, I wish Funko would be able to do it somehow better to make these stand up. But that is a lovely pop. That'll go nicely with my collection. That will. And we got sweeties! Fantastic sweeties! Oops. Oh, yeah, there. But £20. The P&P cost me what, $19.50, I think it was, something like that. But box is £15. It's worth 20. Goes into my collection. I'm happy. You happy? Cool. So please, hope you like this video.
Subscribe, comment down below, or hit the notification bell and like the video.
And check out Toysiverse. And we'll see you soon.
Bye!
Bye-bye.